Hi guys, I'm Mr. Vumani, currently in Kayamandi, opposite Amazink. Today we're interviewing customers to know what they know about internet and fiber time. Let's go! Tell me quickly, what do you like most about fiber time?
What I like about fiber time, okay, about my son, the school things, he just read the things he can read on fiber time. Fiber time do a lot for us.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, thank you so much for that, sir. How fast is the fiber time internet?
Fast.
Are you happy with that?
I'm happy.
Is
I'm
it?
happy.
Okay. All right, thank you so much, sir. And fiber time or airtime? Fiber or airtime? Which one do you prefer more?
Fiber.
Is it?
Yeah, fiber. When you go here in Kayamandi, you are fiber yourself because all the Kayamandi is fiber time.
We are paying.
Yeah, you pay as you go. No, I'm saying thank you fiber time.
Look at that. Thank you so much.
Thank you fiber time.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Tell me, would you rather share a food or your internet?
Yeah, I will share my food, not my internet.
Is it? Okay. What hurts more, buffering or heartbreak?
It's preferably, definitely, yeah.
Thank you so much. Tell me quickly, what's faster, fiber time or a taxi driver?
Fiber time.
All right. What makes you laugh the most on the internet?
I would say the funny videos at TikTok and the Reels on Facebook.
Lovely stuff. What do you use fiber time for?
A lot of things. Because we are using internet for job hunting, applying for jobs, doing school homeworks and assignments on the internet using fiber time.
Lovely.
So yeah, there's a lot that you
Okay.
can do. Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
And then second, I would like to ask you a few questions about internet and fiber time.
Yes.
What do you use fiber time for?
Yeah, to connect, to search something from social media, to get more information from social media. That's all.
Okay, all right. What can you do with fiber ends?
I can. Yo.
You can speak closer. What language is called?
Available.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you don't know anything about fiber ends.
I can buy you fiber time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, how long will fiber time?
I think 24 hours.
Lovely.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Buti. And then ndixelele uba what hurts more, i-heartbreak okanye i-buffering?
Great.
Why are you saying heartbreak?
Yes, because zinezinto endizibonayo phana. Come on. Yeah.
All right. So, ngicela wena into ebuhlungu kakhulu kukhulekizwe than internet.
Ndiqualify nakwi-internet but kwi-heartbreak ndizikhona nakhona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Tell me quickly, Mr. Bam, what's worse, slow internet or standing in a long queue?
Long queue.
Long queue.
Yes.
I want to ask you guys a few questions about fiber time. Tell me, what do you like most about fiber time?
I would like first to say about fiber time and fast first of all, and you can do anything about the fiber time xa uconnectile efonini yakho. So kum uyandisebenzela. So I like ukusebenzisa fiber time most of the time.
All right, thank you. Tell me, how fast is the fiber time internet?
Like my fiber time internet is way too faster than other internet. Like for an example, eVarsity kukho zanto ufumanise ufake uuploade i-subject inantsika lo project yakho while usebenzisa like into ezifana no-MTN data ithatha from i-hours, like 30 hours. Fiber time, like I would say, tata nje 1.5 hour. So ifast olo hlobo iyakhawuleza.
Fiber time unwabile ngayo?
Andonwabile, very happy. Like ingase angayeki ngasibe into soloko ikhona.
Okay. Lolu kutshintsha fiber time alizisileyo eKayamandi.
Unintsi kakhulu. I can say like for umzekelo since I'm an artist I was buying data every day so buy data. Then ngakwazi ukwenza izinto like go to TikTok and post my things while supposed to buy data by fiber time. I could only buy 5 rand fiber time for 24 hours. So yabo la ndinike ixesha uba ndiposte umculo wam, ndenze into zam kakuhle, go live with my fans and stuff like that.
I love that. But to tell me, my last question, what can you do with the 5 friends?
For an example now, sandothengwa i-5 rand now ngoku
Zamfaka. Lovely.
I want to be an influencer because ingenzeka loo nto with fiber time, because always active on TikTok, active on every platform, so it's like that, and everything is easy with fiber time. You can do anything you want to do with fiber time, so turn alone.
What makes you laugh the most on the internet?
One thing that makes me funny about the internet, since there's this fiber time, like I'm not late with news and stuff, with things like trending stuff, the challenges, all of that, like something new. There's something new around the world. There's something new, like for example, there's a war that side, there's a war. So I don't catch those things later. I catch those things now. As it isn't happening now. That's the funniest thing. That's the funniest thing.
Tell me, what's faster, fiber time or taxi driver?
I could say fiber time. Because if I'm going to town, I don't know where I'm going to. I just go to my GPS using fiber time internet. So I know where I'm going to. I can even walk.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Mwana puti ngumesi kama lam disoga fiber time ukuthi ngibani yena.
Nkosi kakhulu siswami mthetha nomelo umzithembu siswami.
Okay.
Avuye ukwazi.
Tell me, what do you like most about fiber time?
Fiber time is very affordable. Anyone can afford, and it's very accessible to people who are less privileged in terms of internet access.
Okay.
So fiber time helps a lot of people who are studying, people who are more interested in researches and all of that. So for us, it's very good because of being affordable.
Tell me, how fast is the fiber time internet?
My fiber time internet is very quick. There were routers that were installed in our houses. It made it easier for us to access it. So it's even much better, and it can connect from the other person as well if you haven't charged it. But you must put it on charge most of the time so that it can be ongoing all the time. So yeah.
Thank you so much. So tell me quickly, my second last question.
Yes.
What can you do with 5 friends?
What I can do with 5 friends is just to buy a voucher, which I know that it will help a lot of people. I'm not the only one who's benefiting from that 5 rand, but it means a lot of people can benefit from that.
Of course. My last question: what makes you laugh the most on the internet, online?
What I love, I'm a person who loves a lot of research. I enjoy research. I'm a person who's willing to get to know stuff. I'm very informative in terms of getting to know much more better. You know, based on the background that we come from, it's even much better for us to learn about new things, and also the internet is the most modern thing that is used for people to get knowledge and all of that. So for me, it's knowledge and power. I always believe knowledge is power, and you need that internet so that you can access some of the stuff which are not visible by the raw eye. So it's always better that way. I believe so.
Thank you so much. Tell me completely, what do you like most about fiber time?
Oh, fiber time, wenza yonke into, like fiber time is like DSH TV. Fiber time, yenza ukuthi and network yakhe 100%.
Okay. How fast is the fiber time internet?
100%. It's like apple juice.
There?
Yeah.
Fiber time or fiber or airtime? Get an 8 between the two.
Get a fiber time.
About 10, that's why.
Because airtime yakhawuleza uphela, or fiber time ubekela ixesha lakho ngale mini ifaya ngayo. Uyakunika and uyakwazi ukwenza yonke into is unlimited.
What worse, slow internet or standing in a long queue?
Kuma kwiqueue.
Yes. Okay, what's faster, fiber time or taxi driving?
Fiber time.
The fiber time less than 2 seconds. Less than 2 seconds.
Thank you so much. Again, what can you do with a 5 rand?
I can buy fiber time 5 time I can buy a voucher, 5 rand, because it lasts for 1 day. That 1 day I can do anything. I can do my, like when I
connect to everyone. But then the airtime you can't connect to every time for that minute, so for that time.
So are you guys saying that Fiber Time has brought change in Kayamandi?
Big time.
Why are you saying that?
Because everyone
things easier.
because we are connected, everyone. When you want to call someone, you will call someone with Fiber Time. You don't buy in time. You don't need to buy a time. You are calling someone in Fiber Time or WhatsApp, calling someone because Fiber Time is 100% in network.
What's the point? Mama, ngicela ukubuza kakhulu kwaloku nge-Fiber Time. Yintoni onoyenza nge-5 rand ngaphandle kothenga u-Fiber Time engenye nje into?
Ayikho into endinoyenza lo nge-5 rand. Ndithenga u-Fiber Time. U-Fiber Time undenzela kakuhle, undinika izinto ezirayithi, ndiyabukela iividiyo, ndibukela yonke into.
Fiber Time wenzani nganye mama?
Ndiyamthenga ndimsebenzise
Entwenini?
efowunini yam.
Ucofa ntoni phaa efowunini?
Ndicofa uWhatsApp, ndicofa uFacebook.
Okay. Inkosi mama, unganika ubhuti. Bhuti, kandixelele yintoni ekuncumisayo kwi-intanethi wena?
Endingumisayo ukubukela uTikTok, ukubukela uInstagram, udlala uFacebook, udlala uWhatsApp.
Okay. Xelele yintoni onoyenza nge-5 rand ngaphandle kothenga u-Fiber Time?
Into endinoyenza into endinoyenza mangonokwam ngala 5 rand ayikho ngaphandle ngocofa ifowuni ndidlala uFacebook. Andincamela ndothenga ivoucher.
So i-5 rand yavele yajika kungangu-Fiber Time qha ufuna ukutsho?
Ewe.
Ndixelele, what hurts more, i-heartbreak okanye i-buffering of internet? Yeyiphi kabuhlungu kakhulu?
Andinokuqhatha sisi, ndithanda iWi-Fi isikakhulu ma.
Okay, thank you so much. What's faster? Is it Fiber Time or a taxi driver?
Fiber Time.
Fiber Time. Ngoba ke usitsho.
Ngoba nditheni ndisitsho kuba ndiwuthanda uFiber Time, ngiqhela ukubukela iividiyo nenza into yonke. Kandifowunelwa kuWhatsApp ndiyafumaneka ngenxa kaFiber Time.
Ngixolele ke bhuti futhi wena ufuna ukuthi uFiber Time apha eKayamandi uze notshintsho na ewe okanye hayi?
Hayi, uze nalo utshintsho oluninzi. Besikade sima phaa iindawo ezineWi-Fi sixuthela iifowuni, ngoku sihlala ezindlini sitya sisendlini iWi-Fi safana sixuthela iifowuni.
Tell me quickly, what are you doing with internet? Usebenza doing internet isikakhulu?
TikTok, Facebook and Instagram.
Alright. Ntoni onoyenza nge-5 rand ngaphandle kothenga ivoucher ka-Fiber Time?
Ndingathenga i-fruits. Ayikho into like asekho nto ezininzi onozithenga nge-5 rand, izinto ezi-expensive ngoku. So like izinto ezizii-fruits, into ozinozithenga, into ezinemali encinci.
Okay, because i-5 rand ngoku ihaba ayi-10.
Ayiseyo mali inintsi ngoku i-5 rand because izinto ezi-expensive.
Okay, now. How fast is the Fiber Time internet?
I-fast, but sometimes iba nayo laa nto uba ingasebenzi kakuhle, but most of the time iyasebenza kakuhle.
How do you feel when it's buffering? How do you feel?
Andibikho right, but then ndiye ndicele uncedo from abantu bakwa-Fiber Time, then bandincede.
Okay. Would you say Fiber Time has brought change in Kayamandi?
Yewe kakhulu, because besithenga idatha every day, which is besingasathengi like i-internet data, besithenga i-WhatsApp data ixesha elininzi because iyakhawuleza uphela. So Fiber Time uthenga we-5 rand then 24 hours. So wenza into ezininzi ngala 24 hours.
Ntoni oyenzayo phaa kwi-internet? Like ngaphandle ko-WhatsApp no-TikTok bakuqaleleyo?
Uya-aplaya for umsebenzi, ujonge imisebenzi ekhoyo, like uyakwazi no-aplayela isikolo.
What do you like most about Fiber Time?
Into endiyithandayo ngoFiber Time, uFiber Time uyafikeleleka sisi and uyasinceda into ezininzi kade singakwazi uzenza, but ever since kwafika uFiber Time siyakwazi uba sifikelele kwiinto bezingakazi uba masifikelele kuzo because idatha iyadura siswam and ke ngoFiber Time esinceda.
Okay. Ifiber okanye i-airtime yeyiphi eza kuqala?
Fiber Time sisi, obvious lo mbuzo.
Because ndixelele uba yintoni onoyenza nge-5 rand ngaphandle kothenga ivoucher ka-Fiber Time? What else can you do with the 5 rand without buying the voucher of Fiber Time?
Fiber Time.
Ntoni engenye onoyithenga la 5 rand?
to be honest siswam ibhanana ndiyayithanda ndingathenga ibhanana ibhanana yi-R5.
So you buy bananas?
Yeah.
All right. Now, would you say Fiber Time has got change in Kamandi?
A lot siswam.
Why? Kanjani?
A lot siswam because abantu abaninzi ndingathi na exposed kwiinto ezininzi but ever since kwafika uFiber Time i-internet like iyasinceda kakhulu siswam ezibabe nditshilo kuqala utshintsho lwaFiber Time luyabonakala kakhulu siswam.
Unwabile ngeFiber Time wakho?
More than happy siswam.
Xa imoshakele uFiber Time wakho wenza kanjani? You know uba ufuna kunceda?
Siswam ikhona laa number iphaa kulaa router laa 08 ntontoni ndakwazi uba nditsalele phana and sikhona office apha erenkini if I'm not mistaken ndakwazi uba ndibalekele napha since ndi-close.
Okay, so uhappy ngoba sibe ne-office sekuhlaleni?
More than happy siswam. Over the moon. Nam ndiyabulela kuFiber Time siswam.
Thank you, sir.
Bulela m.
Tell me, what do you like most about Fiber Time?
Oh, because Fiber Time unlimited and Fiber Time usebenza kakuhle uyakwazi ne-access kuyo yonke ilanduza i-internet.
Okay. And tell me, how fast is the Fiber Time internet?
Very fast.
Kakhulu?
Yes, fast kakhulu. If internet iyasebenza kakuhle but if awunayo kawunayiva. If unayo zihamba i-message zonke into zakho uyakwazi uzenza nantoni na uyakwazi uyenza i-signal yakho i-right.
Okay, unwabile ngeFiber Time?
Yes, unwabile.
Wanika usisi. Sisixelele, ngaphandle kothenga i-voucher ye-R5, ntoni onoyenza nge-R5 engenye besides buying the voucher?
Endinoyenza engenye?
Ungathenga ntoni nge-R5?
Oh, ndibona ingxaki enye into endinoyithenga le R5 bani ngaphandle uba ndithenge i-voucher kaFiber Time. Ayikho enye into endinoyithenga mos.
So
nguFiber Time endimcingayo.
Ndifuna ukuthi i-R5 ijikile yanguFiber Time.
Ijikile.
Osika mama, ukhetha i-fiber okanye i-airtime yayiphenza kuqala?
Hayi, ngikhetha i-fiber sana, i-airtime
Ngoba kutheni mama?
Ingxaki yenza izinto zibe lula like
unlimited.
Yabo.
Osika mabheki, next. Ntoni e-faster? Yi-internet, yi-fiber internet okanye ngu-taxi driver? Yephi e-fast? Between the two.
Fiber internet.
Okay. What makes you laugh the most online? Unokonwabisayo online?
TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp.
Okay. Tell me, nge-R5 ntoni onoyithenga ngaphandle kothenga uFiber Time R5? Ngephi onoyithenga into engenye besides buying the voucher?
Sure. Ayandiboni sani.
So the only thing you can buy now nge-R5 is Fiber Time.
Yeah.
Unwabile ngeFiber Time?
Very happy.
Molweni, igama lam ndincumisani soka Fiber Time ninjani?
Right wena?
Phele Nkosi. Tell me quickly, what do you like most about Fiber Time?
uFiber Time usingenisa kwi-internet sikwazi usearcha izinto yonke loo nto.
Ntoni osearchayo kwiFiber kwi-internet?
Sisearcha izinto zesikolo okanye sibukele iimuvi kwi-internet.
Okay. Xa uthenga ivoucher, uthenga ivoucher yamalini wena?
Ndiye ndithenge ivoucher ye-R10.
Okay, ihlala for how long leyo?
2 days.
Okay, how fast is the Fiber Time internet?
Iyo ifast kakhulu.
Ngimizekele. Xa ucinga ukufast bayo and mobile data ucinga ntoni? Uzokwazi ukubukela imovie?
Yeah, and ayisokolisi.
Okay, so sifapare ngesifane sibe nayo.
Yeah.
Usicinga ukuba ma? Ntoni e-web? Slow internet okanye standing in a long queue? Yephi e-web wena between them?
West for mna?
Yes.
Slow internet.
What is faster, Fiber Time or a taxi driver?
Fiber Time.
Tell me, ntoni onoyenza nge-R5 besides buying the Fiber Time voucher? What's going to do with the R5?
Ayifani ibe khona izinto zidura.
Okay.
Thenge chips ezi-R1 bona ezinje ezinye.
Okay. Okanye uthi uthenge loo voucher?
Suthenge loo voucher Fiber Time.
Alright, mama. Unwabile ngeFiber Time?
Kakhulu.